Three little old ladies are sitting on a park bench feeding the birds when a man comes by and flashes them all. The first two little old ladies both have a stroke, but the third couldn't quite reach. Welcome to Shave and Butcher. Oh, I'm sorry, wrong channel. All right, guys, Marion the Barbarian here, and we are kicking off Straight Razor August. Well, I am not kicking off. That is the wrong term to use. But I talked to Johan, and he's going to change up his format, and he is going to do nothing but straight razor shaves in August. No more electric shaver for him. All right, guys, having enough fun. So today I'm using my HC&C lather bowl. Felt it was appropriate with the Maddie Lindholm synthetic brush. I believe this is oak. I call it his oops brush. We have lathered up HC&C Badass, and might I say that is a badass looking label. I'll put the scent notes up. It says something about like teakwood or cedar, I think, and some citrus. I don't know. It says it's a manly scent. I don't know that it's necessarily manly, but it's awesome. And you will see, you probably see it in the shave of the day, but I think it pairs well with the aftershave I picked out. Because this is just a sample. We did not use much soap, and that shit blew up. It just kept taking more and more water. I probably stretched it further than I should have because it's kind of looking thin now. But I mean, I just kept adding just to see. And I mean, I use like a dime size. Like maybe just a little bit thicker than a dime, but like the size of a dime. And smeared it in the bowl real thin, bloomed it a little, and just kept adding water. And it's not dissipating. I did make it super airy though, but I mean it's got peaks. HC&C Badass. But yeah, it's nice. This is summer. You could get away with this any time of year, but you can definitely wear this in the summer, which is a good thing. Very nice. Whew. All right, so we told the Shave and Butcher joke, and we did the reference because this was one on Johan's Parkinson raffle. Nicholas Goodmanson had honed it, scaled it up, and it was one of the prizes. And I believe Mark Walsh, if I got it wrong, he won this and he sent it to me. We're just gonna go against the grain since I shaved early this morning. We were going with less than 24 hours of growth. But he won it and piffed it to me, which was very awesome. I was new to the community, new to videos, and he told Johan to send it my way. I greatly appreciate that. All right. There we go. And this is a 5/8. It's a Swedish razor. Has some cool etching. We're just trying to get whatever strays, little hairs I have up there. And this one could be on its way out on the edge as well. We may pick up on the neck later. Because we didn't pick up this morning on it and could have. Very, I mean, that's easily, yeah, that's a full hollow. I was going to look and see if it was extra, but I don't think it is. This is, I don't think there was a brand. Oh no, this was Solingen, Germany. That's silver steel, and it is extra hollow. It didn't look it. I could be wrong. That's 6/8. That's not 5/8. Shoulderless, in my opinion, makes a razor look smaller than it is. And I have a more difficult time telling. Very nice. Yeah. Feeling good. I think we're gonna, like I said, touch up the neck a little. Like right through here. Pickups, because you know, neck's tricky area, I think, for anybody. Neck and jaw, it's just where I can tend to miss places. And I'm honestly hoping as this month goes on, I'll get more and more into a sequence, a stroke sequence, and I'll always approach it the same way and know where I'm going next. Because if you didn't know, guys, that is the most important thing about straight razor shaving. Is already knowing where you're going next, not having to think, how do I want to approach this next stroke? You approach it the same way you do every shave. You finally get it. It is a kicking scent, very strong. If you don't hear me say something about scent strength, it's generally average. The only time I'm going to bring it up really is if it's not strong. I mean, is if it's not strong or it's super strong. I'm going to have to find somebody that wants to give me a bulk deal on honing. Because I got a lot of razors. Y'all hear it still? I feel like it. If I had a keener, sharper edge, I wouldn't still be able to cut down hairs at this point. I don't know if y'all could tell, but I'm even trying different angles through the stroke. See if anything's cutting better in a different way. But she is a beaut. Beautiful custom scales. Look at that awesome wedge. Like really beautiful work. I mean, Nicholas has done some awesome stuff. I'm sure that's a white G10 liner. Really beautiful. Alright guys, y'all know the drill. Gonna rinse up. We'll be right back. Alright guys, we are back. Feels a lot closer than it did when I was shaving it. So, we still got a good shave. Damn fine shave. So alright guys, the similarity in scent. Okay, I can still smell it in the knot. I won't say it's exactly the same, but I think they're going to pair nicely. So if that lets you know about Badass, if you like Moon Soap Savannah, you will probably like Badass. I just like saying Badass. Oh, that's nice. Super nice. All right, we got some Balm. We're gonna hit it up, man. I've been trying to hydrate a little bit more. Not just face, but head. feel like the head's getting more and more important. I did bump my head at work, and I think it broke the skin on top of a place I nicked the other day. But for now, I'll say we're all right. Oop, got some balm on it. All right, guys. Sorry, I gotta wipe it up now on camera. I can't stand, you know, having it look messy. There we go. Havana by Moon Soaps. Excellent, excellent. Badass. Boom. Badass fucking label in my opinion. We use the matching splash. The Maddie Lindholm Shaving Supplies Oak Brush with the Maggard Synthetic Knot. What I believe to be a 6/8 extra hollow. Made in Solingen, silver steel. I don't know what kind of burl that is. And I want to say rosewood. That's probably not correct either. All right, guys, that is it. And I hope to catch you guys later. Yeah, I think we're done. That's it. Yeah. See you later. Bye.